Our other recipient is our dear friend Arooj Rajput. She's a creative professional for visual and performing arts and broadcasting. So actually she has a radio program, 3 hours. And she is active advocate of human rights and gender equality. It's a 3-hour live program in which she focuses on current issues, social issues facing the South Asian community. Please invite you, Arooj, to come and receive your diploma.
Member of Parliament.
We like to come here.
My dear Lily Tedin, President of WFWP Canada, Dr. Kim, President UPF, inspiring Dr. Jean Augustine, vibrant girl Ikra Khalid, Member of Parliament, Erin Mills, Mississauga, respectable guests and friends, Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. It's a great pleasure to be here on this platform, marvelously working to connect, coordinate and inspire people from different ethnicities, backgrounds and faith to align at the frequency of peace. I'm running my radio show for more than 10 years as my campaign for peace as per my idealism about human society. That idealism connected me with Lily Tedin and other members of WFWP and UPF when we met. I thank Lily Tedin, WFWP and other members for this award of Global Peace Ambassador. I'm humbled. Though I have been called idealist by most people, whereas with time I learned that my idealism is my strength. It's my inner voice, and ignoring that means departing from myself. I also learned that real wisdom is to master yourself as a human, since knowing yourself is knowing God, Allah, Creator, whatever you call Him. We all have a built-in chip by God within us, which has all the information or knowledge about humanity, the universe and God, along with a natural source of unconditional love and sharing, which are the perfect sources of ultimate satisfaction that leads towards peace within and around. Though the knowledge is vast, but it could bring awareness as much as we try and we have depth for. I also want to take this opportunity today to draw your attention to the human rights violations in Pakistan. The current government, including convicted corrupts, is after an exceptional living leader, former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan. His 26 years of struggle for a rule of law in his country is to assure human rights, human dignity, economic peace, and to create a welfare state. The government has involved Imran Khan in 143 false cases to manipulate his arrest, whereas there was an assassination attempt on him in November 2022, which left him injured with 4 bullets. Recently, on March 18, 2023, he had an attack and robbery by more than 1,000 people in police uniform who destroyed his house with bulldozers in his absence, while he was in Islamabad for a court appearance. Same day, over 5,000 police officers attacked him there in Islamabad to assassinate. Thank God he was saved by his personal guards, party workers, and the public. In these 2 events on 18th March and after, police has brutally beaten and abducted his servants, political workers, female civilians, many party members, journalists, even 10 to 11 years old boys, including an unfortunate event of torturing and killing a man with special needs. The government has called off the general elections against the Constitution of Pakistan and Supreme Court orders. IG Police, Caretaker Chief Minister and Interior Minister threaten civilians on TV in press conferences openly. Please help me to spread my message. I request the United Nations, Human Rights Commissions, all international leaders and all international media to play their constructive and committed role to assure human rights and condemn fascism in Pakistan and help to save Imran Khan's life, who is the last hope of 23 crore people of Pakistan. I hope this world will take advantage of the opportunity to help to keep the most significant and genuine voice in this world for peace in current times. Imran Khan is blessed with the most compassionate soul, pure heart and intellect, and has done significant charitable work all his life. That's why people love him and trust him. One of his quote while being Prime Minister that brought him somewhat trouble, or maybe all the trouble: Pakistan will not partner with any other country in military conflict. We will be a partner in peace only. Thank you so much for listening. And if anyone is not fully aware of what's going on in Pakistan and about Imran Khan's work, please Google Imran Khan Pakistan, and I guarantee it will inspire you. Thank you.